working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
I don't know why, I don't know, I don't know why, I don't know why, I don't know, yeah. Bad better won't make her dance, she bad. Bad wanna make her sober, bad better won't make her hammer.
Hey guys, it's me, Shauna. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use boob tape. Boob tape is something that you can use instead of using a bra if you're wearing a top where you don't want to wear a bra with, you know, or something that's like deep like this. So this is what I've been using whenever I'm wearing a shirt that a bra doesn't go well with. Like if it's, I don't know, maybe the bra doesn't match or, you know, something like that. So I've been using this brand by NueBoo. It's called NueBoo. And I have 2 colors. It comes in 3 colors, chocolate, vanilla, and black. I have chocolate and vanilla. So I guess it can go with depending on your skin tone or even the type of clothing that you're wearing. You know, like something like this, I'd probably wear either chocolate or black. So this is what it looks like. It's a roll of 16 feet of tape. And they also have nipple covers too. This is a pack of 5 pair and they're in vanilla. Yeah, so this top right here, I'm not wearing a bra with it. I don't even have the tape on or nothing. And it looks fine. And you know, you can rock it like this. I mean, you could wear a bra under it, but maybe I'd rather not have a bra show because it would show like across here. So it just depends on the style that you want. But maybe I don't want a bra, but maybe I still want to like kind of bring the boobs like up a little, like as if we had a bra on, and that's where the tape comes in handy. So I'm just going to show you real quick how we would do that. Okay, so these are what the nipple covers look like. You don't have to use the nipple covers to use the tape. It just depends on what kind of shirt you're wearing, if you feel like you need them. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to just put them on just in case. Okay, so here's the tape. It has these little squares on it so that you can measure it to, you know, the size, you know, that you can get even pieces and stuff. So usually what I would do before cutting it, I'll like measure out about the length that I need. So I would be taping it. Usually I tape from like going underneath the boob up to about here. And to get it to stick good, you should tape it up to here. But once you get it taped, then you can adjust it and cut it to like how your top fits. But usually it will stick and lift better if you cut it a little bit longer. If you need to, you can even go up over the shoulder and tape it. So for me, I'm just going to use, right now I'm going to cut one piece going up to about right here, I think. And my boob size is about a 32C, sometimes 34B, depending on what bra, depending on what I'm able to find. But it's actually a 32C. So usually like just one piece of tape over the boob is enough to like lift for me. But yeah, if you need more support, you can use, you know, if you need like 2 or 3 pieces to lift the boob, you know, to make sure it's secure. But for me, like usually one piece is good. So I'm gonna tape it from like right here and up. And be careful so that the tape doesn't stick to itself. It's kind of hard to pull it apart when it does that. So it's taped underneath the boob, and then just kind of like pull it and stretch it as you stick it. Yeah, so I forgot to mention that tape it's kind of stretchy, so it will stretch a little bit as you pull it up. And yeah, so I just pulled it up right here, like over the shoulder. So now you can see a difference. This is with the tape, this is without the tape. And it's secure, the tape is not coming off, it's not going nowhere. So the tape is now on both sides, and voila. And that's it. So yeah, there you go. Boom, it's secure. Boobs aren't going nowhere. And the tape is like taped over the nipples, but I put the pasties on too. So it depends, like, you know, if you want to use the pasties, if you feel like you need them. You know, sometimes the tape, depending on how you tape it, might cover up the nipples anyway, or... But yeah, so there you go. Lift it, don't need a bra, and it's pretty easy, pretty quick and easy. So yeah, now they are lifted, but like let's say if you want them to be pushed a little bit more like that, I'll show you how to do that. You could take another piece, tape it along the bottom of the boob, like from this side, so it'd be like that underneath. So I'll do that real quick to show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's how it looks with the tape underneath on the bottom. So it's just going across. And what I did is I just started from over here, kind of pulling the boob, and then after I got past this boob, they kind of just push this boob over and then tape it on that side. And so that kind of gives it a little bit more cleavage. So yep, it definitely comes in handy when, you know, you're wearing certain tops that you don't want to ruin the look with a bra. Or it's like, you know, you could just not wear a bra at all, but then, you know, maybe you want to have a little bit of support or just have the look of them being lifted and pushed up and all that. So you could do that with the boob tape. So yeah, there's all different types of styles of tops and dresses that this is great for. So I'm going to show you real quick how it looks with a different type of top. Okay, so here is another top that is perfect for the boob tape. It's backless, a halter top, you know, backless, strapless type of stuff, shirts, dresses, and yeah, boob tape is perfect for this. So of course right here you can see the tape is showing with this top. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut it so that you can't see it. So usually with this type of top, I mean, especially if you are trying to get more of the lift like what we did, you probably would still want to tape it like this anyway and then just cut it. Once you cut it, like everything will still be in place. So we'll cut this piece off, cut it, the tape about right there. So I'll probably just pull it back a bit first. And there. And it's still in place. And I'll cut this off a little bit. Okay, so I just also cut the other side. I just cut it down so everything is still basically where it's at. So that's the cool thing about it, is you tape it to get the support that you need, and then you can cut it and adjust it to fit with your top, and it will still be holding in place. So yeah, so you can see, so yeah, everything that I cut, it's still there. Yeah, so now it's just cut shorter, but it's still in place. So here's how it looks without the tape. Yeah, and when you're ready to take it off, it's pretty easy. In my experience, the longer that it's been sticking, the harder it is to peel it off. So say if you've been wearing it for like a whole day, and then when you go to take it off, if it feels like, if it feels like it's gonna be a little hard, then just use oil. You can just use like coconut oil or olive oil to, as you pull it off, and that will help it come off. But yeah. So yeah, other than that, that's it for the video. So yeah, the brand I'm using is NueBoo. So go check them out. And I have a discount code for 10% off. So I'll put that in the description or on this video. So go to their website, check it out, use my discount code. And yeah, that's it. See you next time. Bye.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah. Bad better won't make her dance. She bad. Bad wanna make her sober. Bad better won't make her hammer. Bad better won't make her dance.
She got a vibe. She got the whole. She got.
I don't know.